And that's a hard thing to say, till I wound up in the wrong side of Mississippi. So we're in Pittsburgh, PA, and as you can see, we're in the bus. We're going to the Palace Theater to rock. So this is just one of the many stops on this journey they call life. Cheers. Cut the air with a knife, but you're just passing through it. You've never been there your whole life. So now we're at the Palace Theater, where all kinds of shows happen here in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is the office area where we have set up. Everything is perfectly fine for this show. There's a dark blue shirt in the bus. I love you. This is the wrong one. There's a darker blue shirt that goes with these jeans. Come on, come with me. We'll show you the rest of the tour and theater here in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, at the Palace Theater. Here is the band.
Compared to what? Deal? That we living for the city.
What? Why?
If your soul thing is in Ohio, maybe you should go back to Louisiana.
We have here one giant smartass convention here at the Palace Theater, Greensburg, Pennsylvania. So we're at the Palace, and we're about to go on stage here in about 10 minutes, and everything's locked and loaded and ready to go, so we'll see you on the other side.